Hiya Otters! This journey has given me so much insights thus far, and to get these great reactions and support from all different sides has been amazing. So you would think by now it's going easy, yet it's not. Every day we tend to have a different struggle, as if your mind needs to find something new to make you work for it. Today I went into my atelier and suddenly I felt like, oh, I don't know how to do this anymore. Like, how do I start? What way did I create those pages? I felt totally blank. Instead of getting all nervous, I closed my eyes for a bit and did some deep breathing, focusing on the air going in and out of my lungs and body. Then I opened my eyes and started without an hesitation. It turned out my hands still know what to do, as if there's some secret download deep in there to pull me through. This channel is all to show you the daily things of life and how I conquer them with making art. Creative mindfulness has helped me already so much these past months. Creating heals my heart. But as I use art to heal, sometimes my inner critic tries to get a hold of me to keep me from creating by throwing in fear and doubt. That's why I created this channel, to show you we are all the same. So please follow me or give me a thumbs up for algorithm's sake. I hope you will have a lovely day filled with creating and sunshine. And even when you doubt about anything, just breathe for a bit and believe that you will get the answer about what to do next. Know that your body will know what to do. A big hug from me and bye-bye for now.